Alright, so to remove the hard drive, which is inside of this case here, first thing would be, some of these have little plastic doors on it. You can just lift those up, or you can carefully take them off if you really want to. Some of these still have the little tab on it you can pull it out with, but if it doesn't, you're going to have like, you get like a flat screwdriver. You want one that is as flat as possible so it doesn't bend the metal too much. So to do it, you need to take your other one of your hands and push this button to the side here. You will feel it lock, and keep it held down while you pull it out. Don't bend up against this because you're going to damage the case, but just wedge it in and then pull it up, and there you go. Get the hard drive out. There's sometimes two little screws here. None of mine came with the screws for some reason. You just lift it up and you got the hard drive. And to get it out, and then you just trying to get it to focus here. You just pull this off at the bottom. Grab it by the plastic part, that way you don't hurt anything. And try to evenly pull it off, because you can bend these pins if you try to pull off sideways. Anyway, there you go. To reinstall it, all you got to do is this just latches onto the back, and you close it. Once it's closed, you just drop it in, push it in, make sure it's locked. You probably won't hear a click, but you just push it in, make sure it's in there, and then test it out.